Hey, how you doing? It's Stefan from Blue Bayou Resort. I'm back at my project. It's Monday. I shot a video on Friday, but for some reason when I started to look into it to put it online, there was no voice. So I said, I'll just shoot another one today. So we're having a lot of fun here. It's pretty much almost done. It's gonna be like doing the round part, but this side here, it's gonna connect to this. But before I put some of the gravel, I mean, this is Class A. It's right there. I dig a hole. I put Class A, and then it's easy to rake and make it really nice and level. I use my level on all of this and it's perfect, and put some a line in right there so that I can make sure everything is nice and square. Let's see the line right here, and it's going right here. And it's following the wall, and then it's following that wall, and then I put right there for a metal point. So what I do is I measure every corner from the middle and make sure that, and then I measure the opposite corner, make sure that everything is the same. And if, for an example, if that corner to this screw is the same length as the opposite one, that corner to this screw, then we know it's in a good place. Same as that corner to this screw and that corner to this screw. That's why that's there. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. When I do this side, do the connection, I gotta put a stake in the middle and find my center point. Go from there. Use these 2x6 for squaring everything off. And that was the only square part of this building. That's 10 by 10 right here. Now we've got some square right there, but that's it. The rest of this building is triangles and round. All right, if you want to see more of this good stuff, give me a thumbs up and follow me on my channel. Have a good one. Stefan from Blue Bayou Resort.